After creating a Kafka cluster, the next step is getting your data flowing in and out of Confluent Cloud. Services that send data to Confluent Cloud are called sources, while services that receive data from Confluent Cloud are called sinks. The easiest way to connect your sources or sinks is through Kafka Connectors. Confluent Cloud offers both fully managed connectors, where Confluent takes care of the infrastructure and maintenance of the connectors, and custom connectors, allowing you to create and manage connectors yourself. Due to the custom connection details needed to set up connectors and the sheer number of connectors, I won't be going into detail on setting up any specific connector. Instead, I'll get you to the point you need to enter that information and start getting the data flowing. If you'd like to see all the steps to configuring a connector, be sure to check out my other video on setting up the Amazon S3 connector. To add a connector, click on the environment, then select the environment you'd like to use, and then an available cluster. Once there, you'll see connectors in the navigation on the left. Go ahead and click on that. Here you will see the fully managed connectors that Confluent provides. You can hover over each connector to see some general information. If you click on the documentation link, you'll see the parameters and details of configuring the connector. Once you've found one you'd like to use, click on the connector and follow the prompts. In addition to using one of the Confluent managed connectors, you can also create a custom connector. Custom connectors are connectors created based upon Kafka Connect plugins that are uploaded to Confluent Cloud by users. This includes connector plugins that are built from scratch, modified open source connector plugins, or third-party connector plugins. To add a custom connector, click on Add Plugin, add a name, description, class, connector type, and then upload your zip or jar file. Since you won't be using a Confluent managed connector, you will also be responsible for the maintenance and security of any custom connector. If you're interested in creating a custom connector, I highly recommend following the Custom Connector Quick Start Guide. Hopefully this has helped you get started with getting your data flowing in and out of Confluent Cloud. Be sure to check out some of our other videos on Confluent Cloud. Until next time, happy streaming.